I need you to imagine for a moment that the unthinkable has happened. Either from an illness or a traumatic accident, you have lost your arm from below the elbow down. Now, as an amputee, what prosthetic solutions are available for you? On one hand, you can get a body-powered arm. These can cost more than $5,000, but are not very functional. On the other hand, you can get a robotic device, but these can cost as much as $60,000. And these robotic hands require 1 to 2 repairs every year. So when your hand breaks down, you'll have to ship it back to the manufacturer for repairs, and you will wait months to get that hand back. Could you go months with one of your natural hands? On top of this, up to 50% of upper limb amputees stop using their prosthetic devices. And 2 of the major reasons for this are the lengthy repair cycles and the limited control capabilities. Our technology solves this problem. Our patent-pending user-replaceable finger modules allows the amputee to replace parts themselves and makes swapping parts easy. That's a 3-month process, down to less than 30 seconds with spare fingers on hand. We are also developing cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms which will allow the amputee to control the axo hand just like we control our natural limbs. So the market for Canada, the United States, and China represents about $2.3 billion, with China being the market with the greatest potential for our technology. The Chinese government now gives as much as $5,000 to amputees for prosthetics cost. This is well within the range of our projected costs of $5,000 for a prosthesis, but not enough to allow more expensive arms to gain a foothold in this market. We plan to collaborate with Danyang Prosthetics Limited to distribute the axo hand in China. Danyang has a 60% market share in upper limb prosthetics in China, and our co-founders are currently planning a joint prosthetics research project with Danyang through the Ontario Centre for Excellence. Our team consists of world-leading experts in the field of prosthetics. My 2 co-founders combined bring more than 3 decades of experience from every sector of the prosthetics industry. We'll be using the Velocity funds of $25,000 to develop our minimum viable product, and our goal is to be ready to begin pursuing FDA approval within the next 8 to 12 months. Although we have filed for provisional patents on our technology, we will be using the funding to file for utility patents in the United States and in China. So now, with user-replaceable finger modules, AI for human-like control, and a per-unit cost of less than $5,000, Brink Bionics can make everyday tasks achievable for more amputees. Thank you.